Hey, 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 hey. Don't know why I said it like that. That sounded ridiculous. Let's try it again. Hey, y'all, it's Ikenisha J, and today I actually wanted to come and give y'all an actual video. It has been a very long time since I have put an actual video on YouTube. However, you are still not seeing my face. I'm actually camera ready today, but the video that I want to do does not require me to show my face. So you're not going to get to see me, but you do get to see my little avatar, my little twin back here. You see her? Hey, girl. So I wanted to show you all something that I have been working on. If you have been living under a rock, you may not know that I have been super into AI for the past 2 years. Last year I started teaching small business owners there are two local community colleges here where I live, and they both book me very regularly to teach small business owners certain things with AI. They also get me to teach things about Canva, social media marketing, email marketing. A lot has been done with ChatGPT, as well as my local chamber of commerce. So earlier this year, not earlier this year, where were we in July? So May, I want to say May. Yeah, it had to be May. So May, I began creating something called the AI Avatar Lab because year before last, I also had begun experimenting with AI avatars. And then a few months ago, I discovered AI twins, where I can actually create an avatar that looked exactly like me, whether an animated version or a more realistic version. I use them both. So in my AI avatar lab rather, I actually have a part. So if you join my AI avatar lab, let me say this, you will get lifetime access. So it is a Canva dashboard is what you will see. So let's just look through it real quick because I'm in it. So this is what you'll see. You'll have a little thank you. That's my AI twin HDQ. Okay. You obviously know it's a twin and not me because I don't wear sneakers. I've never owned a pair of Dunks. I actually want some, but I just can't bring myself to spend that much money on those sneakers because I know I'm not going to be wearing them like that, but whatever. All right, so you get a little welcome. See, that's my little animated version. And then the contents, these are different things that I have in here so far. So I have lessons on twins, PLR intro, PLR products. You also know what PLR products are. Basically, they are digital products that I created, and you can use them yourself. Then I have some guides, videos, marketing, sales. So I am constantly updating this. So again, you pay one fee for my AI Avatar Lab. Then you have access to everything, and I am updating it weekly. I add about 2 to 3 things a week because I'm trying to get I have a ton of ideas and I'm trying to get them all out as quickly as I'm thinking of them. So this part here is where I want to go to. This is where you begin to create your avatar. So I talk to you about the behavior, keyword tips using Canva if you need to. I have a psychology guide so that way you can learn how to trigger people's emotions and certain psychology tips. When you're going to start selling, I have a realistic AI twin video because this is more animated and then this one's the realistic. But this right here is what I want to talk to you guys about. So I created a custom GPT inside of ChatGPT called Monetize Like a Mogul. And this GPT specifically helps those who have AI avatars or AI twins. It helps you monetize and create. Okay. So I want to show you all. And again, you cannot, if you search for this in ChatGPT, you're not going to find it. You can only get the link inside of my lab. So I do have other things in here. There's a lot more other stuff in here, but we're just focusing on this right here. So monetize like a mogul and TM trademark. Boom. Okay, so you go here. This is so cool. This is my first GPT that I've created. I have created another one. However, the second one is right here. It's called My Pen Friend, and that is strictly for me. And that is how I am utilizing Pinterest to make more money and gain more visibility. So that one is just for me. It is my Pinterest assistant that I created strictly for my digital products, my podcast episodes, even all that stuff. Anywho, all right, so this is my Monetize Like a Mogul. Turn your AI twin into a profitable brand without guessing, stressing, or dancing on reels. And obviously, I am the builder. These are some things you could do if you can't think of anything at the very beginning. So I put help me monetize my AI twin. Give me a 3-day plan to launch a product. What should my avatar post on Instagram? Help me create content for my Faceless brand. So if you're doing Faceless, this will help you as well. If you're doing an AI avatar, this will help you. If you're doing an AI twin, this will help you. If you have not created it yet, this can help you. So if you can attach things just like you do with regular ChatGPT. If you don't know how to work ChatGPT, I really suggest you get my ChatGPT class. If you join my AI avatar lab, I am actually going to be it's already in there. The ChatGPT masterclass is in the lab as well. So I just tell everybody, just join my lab because I'm adding in almost everything, because a lot of people are showing you all how to make the avatars, but they're not showing you what to do after. And that takes someone who knows what they're doing. I have been in this space, like selling digital products, since 2018. Y'all know if you've been following me. So I know what to do. So I'm going to show you all a couple things. I decided I wanted to do something like, okay, so this already knows me. So I'm going to say, give me 5 product ideas I could sell using my AI twin. And let's just see what it says. And it does talk like me, just so y'all know. It's going to talk like me. And I am actually at my office space, and the Wi-Fi is kind of slow here, so it may move a little slow. All right, so it says, let's go. You sitting on an AI gold mine. I don't say it like that, do I? Probably so. And I'm not letting you sleep on it. But before I give you this juicy list of products, quick gut check. Are you trying to stay faceless or position your AI twin as a digital influencer? Are you more interested in digital products, affiliate income, content monetization, coaching services, something else? Drop me those answers when you're ready. But for now, here are 5 smart, scalable product ideas you could start selling with your AI twin. Many digital guides or playbooks, 30-day glow-up routine, side hustle starter kit, content calendar for baddies. Okay, I better go ahead and give you advice. Voiceover packs, carrot to scripts. If your AI twin has a signature voice or persona, package it up. Voice packs for YouTubers, TikTokers with video. This is pretty good. Use 11 Labs for voice, Kriya, or Midjourney for visuals. Okay. Custom affirmation or journal kits. Let your twin be the motivational bestie. I kind of already do this already. I just started anyway. Well, I have a ton of videos. I just haven't posted them yet. I need to get on it. Brand mascot packages. Offer your AI twin as a brand character others can license. Okay, this is high ticket if position right. Style or niche-based prompt packs. Sell curated ChatGPT or image prompts in your twin's aesthetic. Girly CEO prompt packs. Savage storytime. NSFW dungeon master prompts if you're feeling spicy. Okay. Now, boo, how you want your plan? It should be how do you. Now, I don't speak all that much broken English. We're gonna have to edit this because I don't want that much broken English. Checklist, challenge format, step-by-step guide to get one of those launched this week. Clarity comes with actions, pick a lane, blah, blah. All right, so that's cool. So before we do that, help me define a vibe for my AI twin. I do want luxury. Here is a photo of my twin. Let's do that. All right, let's find, I have a ton of pictures of my twin up here. Let's just do this one because it's one of the first ones. Let's do that. So again, you are able to attach, but I'm almost positive that might be a chat. No, I think you could do it on free plan. I am on the paid plan. I used to be on the free forever. I recently updated to the paid plan, I want to say 3 months ago. No, yeah, probably around March or so is when I did it. All right. Okay, Miss Executive Energy. See, this is me. I swear I made this thing sound like me. You are really talking to me, okay, y'all? Your twin is giving luxury strategist meets digital powerhouse. I am. 6 looks like she closes 5 figure brand deals before breakfast and still has time to journal and drink cucumber water. Boom, that is me. Let's break this down and give your AI twin a strong, sellable, luxury digital identity. Based on this photo, here's a vibe concept I recommend. Aesthetic is deep jewel tones, velvet, glass, gold textures, clean vegetable, opulence without the gaudiness. Yes. So this is called Lux Boss Oracle. Warm, articulate, classy, but don't play with her. Yes. Drops gems like a boardroom Beyonce. Yes. Speaks in affirmations and authority. Thinks here's a strategy and a mindset, babe. Yes. Man, I might have to use this and change up what I've been doing. Where luxury meets legacy in the digital. Man, sorry, I did not mean to hit the table. Build wealth with elegant strategy and AI, soft life, smart business. But yo, I'm about to change up some stuff because I just gave myself some great advice. Like, I like what I was doing at first, but now I want to change it. Now let's name her. We're not going to name her. Oh, these are cute names. Valora, Sola James, Ava Noir, Elle Maven, Naomi Vox. Cute. I don't need to name her because she is my twin, therefore she has my name. Now, give me a photo prompt. Let's do that. That matches this vibe for me to so that I can create 2 more photos. Ba, 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 ba. Yeah, we're gonna keep it that way. All right, so let's see what it does. So all of this, what I'm showing you guys is how you can go from vibe to visual to content in minutes. You know what I'm saying? We are literally doing this in minutes. It's been 10 minutes right there. 10 minutes. Say less. You the brand, she the twin. Same name, same power. Huh? Yes. Here's a Lux AI product. You can use some secret, dream fest, blah, blah, blah. So here is the prompt. Elegant black woman with natural texture hair. You do not have to put this. So when you all are making your twins, you don't have to. Well, it depends on what platform you're using, but if you are doing a twin, you normally do not have to do this part here. You just have to put your name. If you do not know how to do this, I teach you how to do that in here. Okay? Okay. So, elegant black woman with natural textured hair, wearing a deep plum velvet blazer and gold jewelry, sitting confidently in a high-end glass office with crystal decor, matte book, chic, intelligent expression, ambient lighting with jewel tone accents, editorial, soft land photography style, poise, power, luxury, blah, blah, blah. La, la, la. I got quiet. So sorry, y'all. Standing in front of a glass board, destined danger, leaning on glass. Okay. So that's what it would do. I'm not going to do all of the whole creating it and crap because, again, you got to come into my lab and I'll show you how to do all that because it's not what this video is about. So what did it tell me? Let me know which tool you're using to generate. I'll tweak the formatting. All right. I have created the photo and now and turned it into a 5-second video. Give me a boss quote that I could use and a product upsell recommendation from what you know I already offer. Now, what you need to do as well, when you get this, when you first start in this GPT, you need to tell it about you, about your twin, what products you already have. You can actually upload a PDF in here. So that way this whole GPT will know you. Like my pen assistant over here that I call my pen friend right here, she knows like everything. She knows all of my products. If I want to pull out something from a podcast episode, I'll just put in the transcript and it will pull out quotes for me to use like that. So at the very beginning, just tell it like, hey, I want to introduce myself, here are all the products I offer, all of that. I don't know if I've done it in this. My ChatGPT knows, but I don't know if my Monetize Like a Mogul knows. Let's see what she says. Or what I say, rather. Okay, let's see what the quote says, and then we'll see about the products. I forgot I did just tell it to do 2 different things. So it might take a second. All right. Yes, you're moving like a CEO. For real, video done. Let's make content that converts. Here's what we're doing. Okay, luxury isn't just what I wear, it's how I build. Strategy is my love language. Yes, love it. I don't hustle for clout. I build for clarity, class, and cash flow. Love it. Yeah, it doesn't have my actual products because, I haven't trained this yet on my products. But if I had, Monetize Like a Mogul masterclass or strategy intensive. Freebie funnel, the Lux Business Blueprint. Oh, I might have to make this. Lord have mercy. No. I just had a business meeting with God on Sunday, and he literally told me during that meeting, stop with the shiny object syndrome. Do not do anything new. Focus. Literally. So if you're unaware, I do have business meetings with God weekly and quarterly. I'm actually going to be talking about that on one of my podcast episodes. And I do offer the book that I use, like the notebook that I write in during all of my business meetings. It has gone viral in 2 different Bible groups. So I suggest getting yours as well. It has really changed my business game and how I run my business. I always prayed and feel like I listened to God, but now that I have actual meetings with him and he is my CEO and I'm like the CFO, you know what I'm saying? And like he's my mentor, totally changed the business game for me, I'm telling you. So anyway, I wanted you all to see how my GPT works and the little bit that I did show you that's in my AI Avatar Lab dashboard. So people are making bank, y'all, with AI avatars and AI twins. They're making bank. And if you are not doing so, you are already left behind. So go ahead, join my AI Avatar Lab. If you are someone who does not want to spend the money right now, but you want to still get tips, I do have a free Facebook group that I just started. So it is for those who still want some tips, but they're not joining the lab yet. I will say, once I hit a certain amount of members, I'm going to change the $47 lifetime one-time fee to 77, and it's going to stay there. So I'm almost at that amount of members that I want. I may increase it a little bit just because we'll see, because y'all know how nice I am. But yeah, once I hit that amount, I'm going to change the $47 fee to 77, and that is where it's going to stay. I'm not going to have any sales on it because once I hit that amount of members, I most likely will already have the amount of things inside of the lab where that $77 is going to feel like a steal. It's going to be a lot of stuff in here. Like let me show y'all real quick, blah, 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 right over here. I have an AI influencer guide, feed pics, tools that you can use, prompt power bank, AI baby generators, music. I have that in there. I have a lot of stuff in here, y'all, and I'm not even done. I'm nowhere near done. There's a lot of stuff I'm still making and putting in here. So I suggest you get on in here for the $47 before I increase it to 77. The links will be in the description box for the lab and for the Facebook group. All right, so if you all have any questions, please let me know. I will see you all in the next video. Bye.